Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need a supported iPhone and the latest iOS. That ensures True Tone is available and reliable. Once updated, make sure night shift and reduce white point are off so ambient light adjustments won't confuse the test. Now go to Settings, tap Display and Brightness, and locate the True Tone switch. You're starting the verification process. Toggle True Tone on and off to begin observing how the display color and warmth change under room lighting. This is your baseline for the check. With True Tone available, open a neutral white image or a plain white web page. This gives you a consistent reference. You'll toggle True Tone off, observe the display, then turn it on and watch the color temperature and tint shift toward warmer or cooler tones depending on ambient light. Once done, repeat under at least 2 lighting conditions, daylight and a warm indoor lamp. This shows how True Tone adapts. If you see little to no change, it suggests a calibration or sensor issue you'll address next. After comparing, finalize by deciding whether True Tone behavior matches expectations, consistent warmth shifts under different lights. If it doesn't, restart your iPhone and retest because sensor glitches often clear. If problems persist, reset all settings to rule out software conflicts, then check again. Make sure night shift and any color filters are disabled during tests. If none of this helps, one key troubleshooting tip. The ambient light sensor may be faulty. Contact Apple support or visit service to inspect the sensor and display calibration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.